My life is very simple. If you talk to me, I'll talk to you. You go silent, we'll stay silent. You view my status, I'll view yours. Same energy, no chasing, no stress, no overthinking. I've reached the point where peace means more than attention. I don't beg, I don't force, I don't disturb anyone. Silence. Energy is real, and I match it. Keep it real with me, and I'll give you nothing but loyalty. Play games, disappear, act distant. I won't argue. I'll respect the distance. I'm not bitter. I'm just done. Done with confusion, done with mixed signals, done with one-sided effort. I protect my peace. Now same energy always. I don't have time for drama circles or guessing games. If you want me in your life, act like it. If you don't, that's fine too. I won't chase, I won't question. I used to overthink everything. Now I just accept what it is and keep it moving. It's not. It's peace. I've learned to stop watering dead plants. Respect is everything. Communication is key. Effort speaks louder than words. If you want to be treated right, show up right, because I mirror energy now.